Hey guys, so I'm here just doing some pin curls on my client's wig. She's actually, when we put this wig on, is going to wear her hair out with the pin curls in. So I just want to show you how I'm using a flat iron today. Usually I would use my 1.5-inch barrel curling iron, but today I'm using my FHI 1.5-inch flat iron. So let me show you real quick how I do the curl and the pin curl, because a lot of you guys have trouble with pin curls. I just want to show you how simple it is. So you go in as if you were doing a regular flat iron, no different, but you were making it curly. So you're using the flat iron to make it curly, not straight. And I kind of just wrapped it around once, and I'm just letting the rest of the hair just slide through. But she don't want them tight, and it gives like a loose curl. See? Bam. I hope you can see that. So what I do is, since it's already in this curl pattern, it's already hot, we're going to try to get that curl to stay together while it's warm, and then we're just going to roll it up. See? Just roll. It's like doing a pinwheel. So, same thing. And that was so easy for me. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to try to move faster so this video is not long and drawn out. So, you guys see that? Oh, that's even better. So we're going to get it closer. This section up here. And this section is a nice size section. I guess I gotta go back to that one. Okay, let's see. Comb her through. Take her. There we go. Boom. Start turning at the root. Slide on. See any tangles? Just comb out. Slide on. Oh, that was a little struggle because my wig thing looks like it wants to fall over. So there you go. Stretch it back out. You see that? You got your curl here. And while it's still warm, what you want to do, which is real simple, is kind of just follow that curl. See that? Twist. All I'm doing is following the curl. I'm going up. See how it turns a little bit there? So I'm just going to turn it so it can follow the curl pattern. And all I do is move the head. So follow the curl pattern. Straight up. So I hope this is helpful. If you have to, watch it over again. Like I gotta do one more. I feel like the stand kind of distracted. Can't reflect this and show you guys. So let's start here. Down a little bit. Go. Curl. Root. And then you take that, twist it, and you let the rest of the head just glide on through. Now do it slow so the heat can penetrate. Yep, and then you got your curl. So once I have my curl, I'm going to catch it while it's warm. I'm not going to let these curls, I'm not going to go through the whole head, do the curl, then come back and try to pin curl it. No, we're going to do it now while it's warm. We're going to just, this is so simple. All I did is do this. I got to the base and I just followed it up like that. And there it is. I did miss a little piece. Got to the base, up, to the base. Follow it up. Pin curl it. It's okay to pin curl it on top of the other one. You just want it out of the way. You don't want it where it's still over your ear when you go to take a shower or something, and then that hair gets wet. So you want to push it out of the way. So I hope this was helpful. comment below if you have any other questions. And thanks again to Main Control Head Care. Peace.